How you doing? Gus from This Old Chopper. So we're continuing on. My last video I put up, so a couple of people said that they think that I might have a vacuum leak. So they thought that maybe carb cleaner or something around the manifold would tell me what's going on. I've heard of them working on cars and they use a propane torch and they turn on the gas, no flame, and they just use the torch and they sniff it. You know, they go around the manifold and see if the revs change on the bike, and that would indicate sucking. Sucking. You know what I mean? So I just started it. It's warm. Didn't need to bore you with it running. So I'm going to get it going. It's idling, and I'm going to turn on the torch, and I'm going to give a little sniff. I'm going to give a little gas around propane gas around the manifold and see if I can change the sound of the engine, and that'll tell us what's going on. All right, try it. Let's try it. So you saw I put the gas around the rubbers on the intake where the carburetors hook onto the cylinders, and absolutely no change in sound of the bike. And I tested that theory by giving the filter a little sniff of propane, and you saw that it changed, the revs changed. So I'm going to tell you right now, this is my feeling about it. Go over here. I think, with my limited knowledge of these things or anything, that it's a tuning problem. I think it's maybe slightly off on the timing. Maybe the carburetors need a little adjusting. I think that's where we're at, because I'm telling you, it's like I said in the other video, it's 110% better than it was. It's not 100%, but it's 110% better. So it's a tuning problem. I'm going to wait for Dave to show up, and we're going to sync the carbs. We're going to put a light on it, make sure the timing is on, and that's what we're going to do, because I've checked everything. Everything's been changed, and that's what it is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me one of them. Okay, see ya.